masasabi ko sa inyo, folks? Napakamakulay. Okay, once again, guys. That is para Kuya Richie, no? Okay na, Kuya Richie, may pag-reasons pa tayo ngayong hapon. Ha? Medyo kaulan daw. Sige. Alright, once again, folks, that is para our blue and gold nako with the scientific name of Ara-Ararauna, meaning genius. So why are they called geniuses? Because they have the mental capacity of a 4-year-old child. Yes po, magkasing talino na po ni Bala ang 4 na taong gulang na bata. Okay, for example, guys. Wait lang, gusto nyo ba example? Wala, mukhang walang energy. Gusto nyo ba example? Ano Kuya Richie, gusto nyo lang sample? Mawawalaman ka ngayon, Kuya. Okay, ito na. Para example daw, be. High five to Kuya Richie daw, be. Appear. Oh, high five. Wow. Isa pa, one more, isa pa. And there you go. At syempre, folks, alam niyo ba guys, napaka-sweet at lambing nito ni Barak po. Okay, tingnan nyo guys, ha? Alright, na Barak! Ang kiss to Kuya Richie, kami sa kiss nga. Sa kiss nga, bigyan ng kiss Kuya Richie. Diba? Sabi ko sa inyo guys. Pero wait na, mukhang nabitin pa daw si Kuya Richie, guys. Barak, nabitin pa si Kuya Richie mo. Sige, i-kiss natin ulit. Pero boy, hindi na sa pisngi, ha? Patanagin natin mga bisita natin. Guys, saan yung gusto i-kiss si Kuya Richie? Ha? Saan? Ano? Okay, ito na. Ayan na, boy! Kiss si Kuya Richie, pero sa lips na daw. Palakpakan po natin po, di ba? Alright. Anyway guys, blue and gold macaw build their nest. Instead, naghahanap po sila ng hollow tree or puno na may malaking butas at lalagyan nila ito ng small branches at twigs. At yung hapon po, ipapakita yan ni Barak guys by using his prehensile beak po. Pero bago yan, Kuya, ano yung dala-dala mo Kuya? And we have 2 branches. Okay, so now, Barak, are you ready? Alam mo, ready na Kuya. Okay na Kuya Richie, lapag na natin yung kahoy and there you go. Okay, tayo na boy. Ayan na guys, kukunin na yan ni Barak at mag-build na tayo ng nest. Pili. Dahan-dahan lang ha. Alright, ayan na. Sige guys. Nahulog! Wait lang. Dahan lang boy. Huwag ka makailangan. Okay, relax lang. Slowly but surely. Ayan na siya folks. Kinuha niya na. Again, as you can see folks, Barak is using his prehensile beak po, no? To grab objects without using his feet. Again, that is their natural behavior po. So, ganyan po yung ginagawa nila sa wild guys pag nag-build sila ng nest. Okay, ayan na. Isa na lang boy. Alright. Okay, ayan na. One last and very good. Okay na guys, folks. Palakpakan naman po natin si Barak. Thank you so much, Barak. By the way guys, check. By the way guys, the blue and gold macaw are the 4th largest macaw in the entire world. First is the blue hyacinth macaw. Okay, now once again folks, so that's all for Barak. Palakpakan po natin sila.